In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to identify products on Temu with high profit potential and set up an online store to start selling them. First, let's dive into the world of Temu, a bustling marketplace filled with countless products ranging from electronics to home goods and even fashion items. Your first task is to scour Temu to identify items that not only stand out for their uniqueness or demand, but also have the potential to offer you a sizable profit margin. It's crucial to consider factors like competitive pricing, customer reviews, and availability to make informed choices about which products could perform well once offered in your own store. Once you've identified those promising products, it's time to move on to the next stage, setting up your online store. Platforms like Shopify or Etsy provide user-friendly interfaces and plenty of customizable features to help create an attractive and efficient storefront. When choosing between these platforms, consider your specific business needs and which platform aligns best with your product category. Shopify tends to offer robust tools and integrations for a broader range of products, including those in the tech and gadget sector, while Etsy can be particularly beneficial if you're focusing on handmade, vintage, or craft items. With your online store now set up, the next step is to list the chosen Temu products. It's important to include detailed descriptions and high-quality images to showcase the appeal of each product effectively. Descriptions should highlight key features, potential benefits, and any unique selling points that might help your customers make a buying decision. Remember, a well-crafted listing can greatly influence your store's success by attracting the right customers and convincing them to make a purchase. Now, when a customer places an order in your store, comes the crucial part of the dropshipping process. You should purchase the product directly from Temu and have it shipped to the customer. Dropshipping allows you to eliminate the need for maintaining inventory, reducing overhead costs significantly. It's important to provide a reliable and streamlined process for shipping, as this can greatly enhance the overall customer experience. Make sure that communication with your customer is clear and prompt regarding shipping dates and any potential delays. And there you have it, a thorough guide on identifying profitable products on Temu and setting up your own online store to sell them. By understanding market demand, knowing where to list your products, and efficiently managing the purchase and shipping processes, you can capitalize on opportunities within this competitive landscape and grow your online business successfully. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this video helps you embark on your e-commerce journey with confidence.